Is the complexity of your product slowing down your quoting process? Without the proper quoting tool, your sales reps are spending more time waiting for accurate quotes than actually closing deals, causing you to lose winnable deals to competitors and in turn losing revenue growth. That's why we built Cincom CPQ, an easy-to-use configure price quote tool that allows sales reps selling complex products to sell more, easier, and faster. With Cincom CPQ's automation, you can get complex quotes out the door in hours, not days. All your product information is centralized, which means everyone has the latest pricing and updates, eliminating errors and rework, and speeding up your deals. Cincom CPQ's guided selling features allow you to seamlessly upsell by recommending configurations, or increase cross-selling by suggesting related products for customers on self-serve channels. Cincom CPQ eliminates knowledge silos, placing product information at everyone's fingertips. With guidance from the software, even new sales reps can quote configurable products without an engineering degree. Say goodbye to manual sales processes and slow quoting. Welcome to Cincom CPQ. It's time to rev up your quoting process, giving your sales team the ability to close more deals quickly and profitably.